In this video, I am going to explain about reference management softwares, which we can also call as citation management softwares, bibliographic management softwares, which are useful for scholars and authors while recording and while citing the references or for project references in the companies. These softwares will be very much useful. Now, the list which I have mentioned is very few. We are having n number of softwares. Among this, these are all the few which are user friendly and also available in free versions which suits for Windows. Now, the list which I mentioned here, I am going to talk more about Zotero and Mendeley because these two softwares are very much user friendly, which I am using, and also depending on our importance, we can use these two softwares. Why I am mentioning these two softwares means both are free and also have many features, and both include word plugins that allow you automate citations and also cloud based. You can also organize your work by creating folders, and the details of citations like author, title, volume, issue, journal, book name, everything are automatically extracted in this reference managers. Now, coming to the advantages of Zotero, Zotero has unique advantages. It can be used in wide range of formats, not only with PDF files. Now you can collaborate for as many people as you want in Zotero, and here in Zotero the free space available is 300 MB. Now coming to Mendeley software, Mendeley is just meant for PDF files or PDF versions only, which is mostly used in the Mendeley software. Here in Mendeley software, only one group of two or three members can be collaborated, and Mendeley is having a good benefit of highlighting the PDF copies of articles and add notes to them, and within the software making of one-step research tool is being utilized in Mendeley. Here, Mendeley is having phone and tab options as applications which you can install in your mobile or tab, in which you can synchronize flawlessly, so you can read markup articles anywhere on the Mendeley software. Now, I can suggest you based on the importance or need, you can use these two softwares parallelly. Now coming to the installation and usage of these two softwares, I will be showing in this video. To install this software, first of all, directly if you type Zotero in Google search means, you can come to this page and you can directly download. It is a free version software, Zotero 5.0 for Windows. You can download. If you want the Chrome extension means, you can connect with this Zotero connector. This is also good for Chrome extensions. Now when you want to download Mendeley means, directly you can type Mendeley download and you can download in the desktop for Windows version. Now once if you install, you can able to visualize this particular page. Here, these are all the drop downs which are available in the Mendeley software, like file. You can add files, folders, and you can search for the folder, or you can enter the citation manually also. You can import, or you can rename the document files. You can synchronize the library, and you have to give a login account, and you have to sign in to the particular Mendeley software when you are using. As I already log in to my account, it is showing as sign out. Now you can edit, you can find all these options. You can view in the library as citations, tables, like that. And in tools, you have the option of inviting the colleagues. As I said, 2 or 3 members can be invited in this Mendeley as collaborations. You can go with install web importer, and you can synchronize the importer to this offline Mendeley software, and you can download the files and you can check in offline. Here, once if you install this software in your Windows, it will be added in your MS Word as plugin. If you are not able to getting an automatic installation, means here this column which I am showing is automatically installed in my Word plugin. If you are unable to install, means you can go with this option and you can install. Here I have already installed it. It is showing as uninstall. If you are not installing, means you can be checked with installation with the Word plugin. Then these are all the main features which you have to understand. Once if you add the files here, if you are importing from your Mendeley web, means you can go with the, once you open the page of Mendeley, you can synchronize the library to your Mendeley desktop. If I click this button, automatically installation will be done. Then the folders you can create in your Mendeley desktop. As I said, different number of folders can be created and group can be created in the Mendeley software. Here you can add files, folders, you can add entry manually also. Now I'm not going depth into the topic. Uh, Now in Zotero also, once if you install, here also you can have this option. You can install the browser connector as an web importing files. Now here also you can create the folders and you can add your files to your folders. It is not only with PDF files, you can add your web pages and other document related files or formats in this Zotero. Now, how to add the references in your work. Example, here I am going to show you. Here in this column, I have to add, for example, for showing purpose, I am clicking here. Here I want to add a citation. Here, after installing my Mendeley software, it can be shown in my Word document as insert citation, which we can see in the reference column. In this reference column only you can check with the Mendeley software. As you can see the logo, you can insert the citation. For example, after clicking this cursor here, I am going to insert one of my paper in this cursor. Now, according to the name of the paper which I have stored in Mendeley, I can type, for example, if I type the word or letter, it will list out the which are all the words in the Mendeley. Example, I want to add this particular citation to my work. Now after clicking that reference, I am giving OK. Now automatically my citation is being added here. Accordingly you can add. For example, now again I am inserting it. Here according to the folders I am maintaining, the different PDF files is being showing. Now I am clicking this one to add in my work. Now again the work has been added. The work which I have added is in the style of American Psychology Association in APA style. If you want to change your style of reference means you can click on according to your style. Now if I click that, the style is being changed. Now here I want to go with Chicago manual. The style is being changed. According to your way of format, you can change your reference style. After adding this reference style, you want to add your reference list. For that, I want to insert the bibliography. Once if I click insert bibliography, my bibliography will be added. As you can see, both the citations references is being listed. In this way, you can easily add your references in your paper or the research work. This is the easy way of adding your references without typing each and every details manually. You can go directly by using this softwares. In Zotero also the same you can do. For example, I am showing Zotero version how to add. If you see, once you install the Zotero software, it will be showing as a drop down in the Word plugin itself. As you can see, Zotero is being shown. You can add the citation here. For example, here I am adding my citation. Add citation, a red dialog box appears. Here when I type, that is according to the author or the year which I have added, you can go with the paper. For example, here in this paper I want to add as a reference. Once if I click, it will be added. Now this citation is being added. Now here in Zotero what will happen is once if you add the citation itself, your references also will be added automatically. But in Mendeley you have to click with the bibliography, then only reference list will be added as a bibliography. But in Zotero, once if you add the citation itself, bibliography is also added. That is according to the document preferences also you can select. As I shown, APA style means you can add APA style or Chicago style or Harvard style or elsewhere Harvard. All categories of styles you can change according to your preferences. This is what about Zotero. Based on your importance, you can go with the softwares. This is what about Mendeley softwares, Mendeley and Zotero. Reference management softwares is very much useful when you are going with the citations and the bibliography. Try to make use of these softwares and you can do your research work as much as hassle free.